Hi guys, so I'm here today to have a quick conversation about product and project. Product manager, project manager, product manager, project manager, product manager, project manager. There is a lot of back and forth over the differences, and a lot of people do not have an understanding of what the difference between a product manager and a project manager and what it entails. So what we're going to do is I'm going to give you 7 key differences between a product manager and a project manager. Now, you want to take note that obviously they do have similarities. That's why they are spelled as product and project, right? So there's similarities between the two of them. However, there are like major key differences between a product manager and a project manager. So let's dive right into it. There are 7 key differences between a product and a project manager, right? The first major difference between the two roles is the primary focus of each role. Now, as a product manager focuses on the why and the what, meaning why are we building a product and what are we building in the context of what the product is going to become. On the other hand, a project manager focuses on the how and the when, meaning how are we going to make sure that the product is built successfully on time and managing the company's resources, and then when, in the context of when are we going to ensure that the product is delivered in line with the timeline or the deadline that the company has ascertained to the products. So that's number one reason, the primary focus of each role. A product manager focuses on the why and the what. A project manager focuses on the how and the when. Number 2 key difference between a product and a project manager is the responsibility in terms of focus, right? A product manager focuses on meeting customers' needs and business goals, while a project manager focuses on ensuring effective delivery of the project in line with the company's timeline or deadline. Number 3 difference between a product and a project manager is in the stakeholders that they work with. For a product manager works with key stakeholders around the technology team to ensure that product goals are being delivered on. On the other hand, the project manager is also working with stakeholders, but for the core focus of project delivery in terms of efficiency and effectiveness of project delivery. The number 4 difference between a product and a project manager is in the timeline in which they work. Now, a product manager works over an extensive period of time, basically the entire lifetime of a product, from conception down to taking the product away from the market. A project manager, on the other hand, only works on short-term basis, right? A project manager would not be involved with the product from conception down to decline or down to sunsetting of the product. A project manager work stops at the end of a project deliverables. So this is one key difference between the two. The number 5 difference between a product and a project manager is in their success metrics. A product manager is focusing on product's performance. How well is the product performing? How well users are using the product? And how much business revenue the product is generating back to the business. The project manager, on the other hand, is focusing on project execution and efficient delivery of the project. The number 6 difference between a product and a project manager is in their core skill sets that they need to work. Now, for a product manager, the product manager is focused on strategic thinking, is focused on understanding users, is focused on generating business value, is focused on empathy. On the other hand, the project manager key skills is focused on planning and scheduling, is focused on risks and resource management, and is also focused on communication and conflict resolution. The final key difference between a product and a project manager is in their key responsibility. A project manager's job is to get job done. A product manager's key responsibility is to create and deliver value. So those are the 7 key differences between a product and a project manager. I hope that with this explanation, you would not mix both roles together, right? They are very different in their responsibilities. Yes, they do have some similarities, but with these 7 key differences, you can see that they are quite different in their primary responsibility. A project manager focuses on planning, executing, and overseeing the successful completion of the project. And the product manager focuses on building and managing products that delivers value. So I've come to the end of the video, but I'm not going to tell you to like, share, and subscribe. If you don't like, share, and subscribe, I'm going to come and meet you in your dream. I'm going to come and enter inside your dream if you don't like, share, and subscribe. So like, share, and subscribe to this channel. My name is Olabanji Ewinla once again.